Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do the UK half treble stitch. We've already covered the treble stitch in a previous video. I'm going to use super chunky yarn with a big 10mm hook. I've already put a little chain onto the hook so we can get straight on and show you how to do this stitch. We'll start off by putting the yarn over the hook. We'll work into the third chain from the hook, insert the hook in, lay the yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. That'll give you 3 loops. Lay the yarn over the hook again and pull through all of those loops. That is your first half treble. We'll go again. Lay the yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain, lay the yarn over the hook again and pull up a loop. Lay the yarn over the hook again and pull through all of those 3 loops. That's your second half treble. One more time, lay the yarn over the hook, into the next chain, lay the yarn over the hook, pull up a loop. Lay the yarn over the hook and pull through all those loops. That is your third half treble. You can carry on to the end. Shall we just do it? Let's do it. Over the hook, into the next chain, over the hook, pull up a loop, over the hook, pull through all of those loops. Lay the yarn over the hook, into the last chain, bit difficult because it's the last one here, lay the yarn over the hook, pull up a loop, lay the yarn over the hook, pull through all of those loops. We're at the end of this little chain and there's a little row of UK half trebles. You could just do 3 chains, turn your work and start again into the first chain, practicing again. It gives a nice little heightened stitch, not as high as a treble, but it still gives a nice little stitch. This is a swatch of a few rows of it. And just to compare, this is a swatch of the treble. So it is just slightly different in the fact it doesn't give such a heightened stitch, but very versatile and is used in many projects. Have fun having a little practice with this stitch. See how you get on, and I'll hopefully see you in another video with another stitch. Bye for now.